What does a bird mean to people in this part of the world? In China's Chengdu, this round totem, which is named the Sun and Immortal Birds, appears everywhere. It's more than 3,000 years old. Have you noticed that there is a Sun and Immortal Birds pattern on the emblem of Chengdu FISU Games? Unearthed in 2001, the gold foil of the Sun and Immortal Birds is now exhibited in Chengdu's 𝐸𝐽𝐫𝐬𝐧 Museum. It weighs 20 grams and is only 0.02 centimeters thick, with a high gold content of 94.2%, meanwhile with a history of 3,000 years. The main design of the emblem is based on the first letter U from the word university. It presents the wings of the sun and immortal birds with irregular fan-shaped designs. What if we enlarge the sun and immortal birds by 2.7 million times? Doan Lake Sports Park Stadium will give you the answer. This is the bird. Guess where else we can also find the sun and immortal birds? That's right, Chengdu FISU Games torch. That is 熔火。
其实这个是理性与感性的交响，代表四川的要素太多了。 所以说，我们只有手做减法，熊猫、竹子哈、太阳神鸟，就是古今融合。
At the top of the Chengdu FISU Games torch 熔火, 4 divine birds fly around the rotating sun. Of course, and there are also pandas and our old friend, the mysterious bronze standing figure from Chengdu. Wait, there is also an extremely large torch. The 12 spiral spatial curves on the 31-meter high torch tower of Chengdu FISU Games are inspired by the 12 rays of sunlight on the sun and immortal birds gold ornament. On the metal ribbons of the award-winning athletes, there is also the silhouette of the sun and immortal birds, a symbol of a 1,000-year-old shoe brocade weaving tradition.
总共设计了100多岗，既要体现成都的历史文化，也要体现我们成都朝气蓬勃的一面啊。因此，我们就提出来，把金沙太阳神鸟上边的神鸟，和我们成都的市花、芙蓉花结合在一起。
What does this bird represent after all? What story lies behind it? Let's check it out in the next episode.